Here you go, folks. This is what's going on here in the beautiful Sunshine State. All the shrubs, yard cleaning. All the shrubs are in the garbage truck. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There you can see it. See? See, he's waving off to me. Thank you so much. Yes, look at that. The garbage truck gone with all the shrubs. Yes, folks. We did a lot of yard cleaning. See that? This is what's going on in the Sunshine State. All gone. See that, folks? Beautiful, right? This is my Tiffany. I gotta get this thing, my Tiffany waterfall. Beautiful. So, yes, folks. Your girl here, Homes Matchmaker in the beautiful Sunshine State. So, if you're looking to buy a home or you're looking to, to sell your home, I'm all here. So reach out to me and we can talk more. See beautiful flowers here. Oh, now you can see that, yes. So reach out to me, folks. If you're local here in Clermont area. See, we have a busy day in our neighborhood. If you're local, folks, see these lovely plants here. Flowers, beautiful. Beautiful. They're up for sale. Okay? So if you're local, just reach out to me. Say, Sharon, I live by local and I need to know where exactly you live, because all these are plants I do have for sale. All these up here too. Beautiful, beautiful. See that? Beautiful plants, right? Yes, folks, this is my side hustle apart from my real estate business, of course. Real estate is not easy. It's a lot of money, especially to advertise. So reach out to me. I appreciate your support. Take care again, your girl. Homes Matchmaker in the beautiful Sunshine State. Bye for now.